Question 19, 4x squared minus 10x. Same thing as what we did. You say let that term be k, and if it is k, it can be factorized to be equal to, remember the coefficient of x squared is not 1, so it's going to be ax minus b all squared, minus because the second term is a negative. So we expand. This is going to give us 4x squared minus 10x plus k is equal to ax minus b into ax minus b. This becomes 4x squared minus 10x plus k being equals to a squared x squared minus 2abx plus b squared. And when you compare coefficients, you have 4x squared to be equal to a squared x squared. Dividing both sides by x squared, you have it that a squared is equals to 4 and a is equal to 2 because square root 4 is plus or minus 2. So I'm going to take the absolute value of that. So second term, you have it to be minus 10x to be equal to minus 2abx. When you divide both sides by minus x, you get this. 2 can still go. 2 here is 1. 2 into 10 is 5. Leaving us with 5 to be equals to ab. But we have it that a is said to be 2. So substituting 2 for a, we have 5 is equals to 2b. And that means b is said to be 5 over 2 when you divide both sides by 2. So b is 5 over 2. And we have it that k is equals to b squared. It therefore means that k is 5 over 2 all squared when you compare the third terms. So we have it that k is equals to 25 over 4. It therefore means that 25 over 4 is that term that must be added to 4x squared minus 10x to make it a perfect square. So if we have 4x squared minus 10x, you must add 25 over 4 for it to be a perfect square. And remember, the question says what must be added to 4x squared minus 10x to make it a perfect square. And thereafter, we should factorize it after making it a perfect square. And that's just what I did, or I have been doing in question 1 to 20. Okay, I've looked for the constant term that makes it a perfect square. Now, what is left is for us to factorize it. So, factorizing this, we will first of all express it in that form of x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So, the first thing to do is to divide each of the terms by 4. This becomes x squared minus, when you divide 10 by 4, it gives you 5 over 2 x. When you divide this by 4, it gives you 25 over 16. So this becomes x squared minus 2 into bracket 5 over 4. I have to factorize out 2 plus 5 over 4 all squared. I have to write this as a multiple of 5 over 4. So this, when factorized, gives us x minus 5 over 4 all squared. So that's our answer to question number 19.